When you journey to the northernmost point of the United States, you'll discover a wild terrain and rugged beauty unlike anywhere else on Earth. Welcome to Alaska, the last frontier. Alaska is home to 3 million lakes, thousands of rivers, and acres of evergreen forest that span as far as the eye can see. Breathtaking views, dramatic glaciers, and unforgettable attractions await you when you sail with Celebrity Cruises. Celebrity offers 5 to 13-night journeys, departing from Seattle, Washington, Vancouver, British Columbia, and Seward, Alaska. Come along with us as we take you on a journey through Alaska. Every Celebrity sailing includes views of Alaska's most impressive sights, its glaciers. Admire these towering icy structures from the comfort of your private veranda or from one of the ship's outdoor spaces. More than 600 named glaciers line the pristine Alaskan waters, creating a scenic experience unlike any other. Snowfall accumulates over thousands of years, gathering faster than it can melt and reaching anywhere from 100 square meters to hundreds of miles across. Lucky travelers will see icebergs, expansive ice cliffs, and stunning events like calving, where huge chunks of ice crash into the sea from the edges of the glacier. There are no shortage of ways to experience glaciers in Alaska. Take to the skies for spectacular views from a helicopter. When you land at the top of a glacier, you'll slip on a pair of crampons over your shoes and walk through an icy wonderland. At the Mushers Camp, you can take a dog sledding adventure with Alaskan Huskies on a once-in-a-lifetime ride.
Here we go, guys. Here we go.
Venture to Mendenhall Glacier, which is part of Tongass National Forest, the largest protected forest in the United States. Glide down the river in a canoe to the base of this massive glacier, or hike through the tall trees and spot bears along the way. 98% of brown bears in the United States are found in Alaska, along with black bears and polar bears. Over 30,000 mighty bald eagles also call Alaska their home. Marine animals are also stars of the show on an Alaska cruise. Keep your eyes peeled for seals, sea otters, and whales. As you cruise, an onboard naturalist will guide your experience and help you spot marine life in the surrounding waters. Alaska draws in millions of visitors each year for more than its wildlife and natural wonders. America's 49th state possesses a rich tapestry of history. Our Alaska cruises sail through many historic port cities where you'll see totems created hundreds of years ago by native groups and learn the stories they tell. You can sail through Alaska's Inside Passage, a coastal waterway filled with impressive fjords, untouched wilderness, and lush greenery. Breathe in the crisp Alaskan air and spot local wildlife right from one of our Celebrity cruise ships. Cruise through Endicott Arm past surging waterfalls, granite mountains, and breathtaking valleys. You'll arrive at Dawes Glacier, a staggering structure standing over 600 feet tall. Hubbard Glacier is the largest tidewater glacier in North America. It is 7 miles long and as tall as a 30-story skyscraper. Watch as colossal chunks of ice crash into the water as the glacier calves. Surround yourself in the rugged beauty of icy Strait Point. In the small village of Hoonah, Approximately 1,350 Alaska Natives, mostly belonging to the Tlingit tribe, inhabit the area and provide a glimpse of indigenous Alaskan life. From here you can adventure by land on exciting excursions or spot humpback whales from the shore. Juneau, the capital city of Alaska, has more hiking trails than roads, making it a paradise for people who love the outdoors. Fly on a seaplane and soar over 5 spectacular glaciers while listening to insider information from your headset. Ketchikan is known as the salmon capital of the world, making it the perfect place to try fresh catches on local menus. Head out to the Bering Sea for a king crab fishing excursion or take a boat ride through the fog in Misty Fjord. If you're feeling adventurous, go snorkeling with a cold water wetsuit and discover Alaska's sea life. Ketchikan also is home to the largest collection of Northwest totem poles on Earth. Sitka is the largest city in the U.S. by land area, making it an ideal town for nature enthusiasts. Skagway, a small town in southeast Alaska, is the perfect place to learn about the gold rush in 1896, where thousands of miners and hopeful travelers flocked to strike gold. Take the same train those miners once used to ascend into the mountains on the White Pass Scenic Railway and marvel at the tundra of Tormented Valley. Head on an adrenaline-filled zipline expedition where you'll glide up to 30 miles per hour through the Alaskan rainforest. Or leisurely float down the river in a kayak. Venture inland and explore even more of Alaska with Celebrity's 2 to 6 night cruise tours. Along the way, you'll stay in luxurious Alaskan lodges complete with breathtaking views. Choose from an array of exciting cruise tour itineraries to discover even more of Alaska. All of our cruise tours visit the vast Denali National Park, home to the tallest mountain in North America. Stay overnight in a lodge in or near the park and experience millions of acres of wild terrain. See expansive forests, frozen tundra, towering mountain peaks and wildlife, including grizzly bears, moose, reindeer, and more. In Denali, hop on an exhilarating ATV ride, twisting and turning through the wild terrain. Feel the cool breeze as the trail opens up to breathtaking mountain views. An Alaska cruise tour to Talkeetna promises panoramic views of Denali National Park from the charming town itself. Get your adrenaline pumping with a thrilling whitewater rafting excursion down the rapids of the river. Venture to Alaska's Big Apple, Anchorage, surrounded by the scenic Chugach Mountains. Discover rich indigenous history at the Anchorage, Alaska Native Heritage Center and take a ride through the forest with a team of dogs. A short distance away, you can ride the gondola up to the top of the 2,300-foot summit of Mount Alyeska, or venture further north and mine for gold in Fairbanks. Watch the world go by from a glass-domed train on the comfortable Wilderness Express. No matter which tour you choose, you will truly experience an adventurer's dream. Majestic fjords and glaciers, rainforest hikes and thrilling zip lines, animal sightings and fishermen's tours. These are just a handful of reasons why you should place a cruise to Alaska at the top of your bucket list. Cruise season in Alaska runs from May to September, when the region has the greatest amount of sun and the warmest temperatures. Start planning today and cruise with Celebrity, winner of the 2019 Best Cruise Line to Alaska from Travel Age West Magazine. To book your unforgettable getaway, visit celebritycruises.com, talk to your travel agent, or call us at 1-800-CELEBRITY. Visit our Alaska cruise itineraries and shore excursions in the links below, And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more cruise inspiration.